Hey guys, what's up? What's good? What's popping, guys? This Flora best, as you can see, and I'm back again with another video. But before we jump right into it, if this is your first time on this channel, you're most welcome. Please consider hitting that red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Support my channel, help my channel to grow, guys. Please, by clicking on that red subscribe button. Yes, just do that for me, please. Okay, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for your support. But for those of us who are already part of this family, part of this channel, welcome back. Guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below in the comment section. Let me know what you feel, how you feel, what you think about this content. Also, share this video with your friends and loved ones. Let them be part of this channel as we explore Africa and beyond. So without wasting much of our time, guys, let's dive right into this video. Okay guys, welcome back. Alright, this is the part 2, a continuation from our previous video when we were talking about 4 Nigerian ways of preparing noodle, the Indomie noodle. From the part 1, because of time, we're not able to take the 4 steps. We only took 2 steps. So now we are going to take the remaining 2 steps. But if you're watching this video or you stumble into this video and you have not watched the previous one, I'm going to drop the link somewhere here above so that you can click on that link to go watch the previous one. So yummy noodles I prepared. Watch the previous one before coming back to this one. Okay guys, without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into this video now. Okay guys, what we are having is Niger noodle preparation, and the step we have, this is step number 3, and what we're going to be having in this number 3 is fried curry noodle served with fried egg. And the recipes for this fried curry noodle served with white fried eggs are the following. Here, as you can see, I have my parboiled noodle, sieved, refreshed with cold water. And here I have my fresh eggs. We're going to be using 2 fresh eggs. And also here for the frying of the egg, I have Scotch bonnet pepper, as you can see. I have bell pepper, and I also have onion. This is going to be used for frying of the eggs. Now for making of the fried curry noodle, here I have onion, some sliced onion. I have some chopped garlic. I also have some sliced bonnet pepper, and then I also have some green bonnet pepper, and I also have some green Scotch bonnet pepper. And also here I have, if you watch carefully, you will see habanero pepper. That is the yellow pepper by the side of the Scotch bonnet pepper. And also we'll be needing curry for this noodle. Alright guys, let's start our preparation. is to add my curry. Remember, like I said, that what we are having is a fried curry noodle. Okay, now I add my seasoning. This is the seasoning, the noodle seasoning. Alright, this 10 seconds now. Okay guys, it's ready. Salt to taste. This noodle number 4, guys, and what we will be preparing at this point is scrambled egg noodle served with boiled egg. Okay, now first of all, I have my dry pan on the heat and I'm introducing veg oil, some vegetable oil into it for my scrambled egg. Okay, so the next thing now, the oil in the pan is already heated, so I introduce this to it. noodle into it. And same time add my vegetables into it, because I don't like overcooking my vegetable. I like having that taste of that feel of a little bit of freshness into it. Having that little bit of freshness in it. There's a way you cook your vegetable, you overcook it, and by so doing, the nutrients which you're supposed to get from those vegetables will no longer be there. And lastly, I'm going to add my seasoning. That's the seasoning that came with the noodle. So I'm going to allow it to get cooked for just for 1 minute. Okay. It's ready. If you watch carefully, you will see that the vegetables are still green, like the beans is still green in color, like as if it's still fresh. Then the carrot is also, you can see the color of the carrot. And my onion, you can see my onion not dense. Like when you overcook, you kill the nutrients in this vegetable. Sorry guys. Alright, it's ready. Okay guys, we have come to the end of this video. But before I go, please, all what you've seen, the 4 different types of Nigerian way of preparing noodles, that's not just all. We have so many ways we prepare noodles here in Nigeria. But I just picked 4, just those 4, just to show it to you guys. Please guys, if you know you have watched this video and you love this video, please give me thumbs up. Give this video thumbs up, please, and go drop a comment in the comment section below. Tell me which amongst the 4 you feel you have tried, or you tried, or you want to try, or you think will be good. Please drop the comment. Tell me what you feel about these 4 Nigerian ways of preparing noodles, guys. And don't forget, share this video with your friends and loved ones so they can be part of this family. If you know anyone who is struggling, still struggling with the method of preparing noodle, please share this video with them. It's going to be helpful. I believe and I think it's going to be helpful to a lot of persons. Guys, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Yes, that means you're supporting me. That means you love my channel and you love all that I do. Please just give me that thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section. Alright guys, Flora remains my name, and we are exploring Africa and beyond. Okay guys, thanks for watching.